To unblock a SIM card on an Android phone, the easiest method is to use a PUK, or PIN unlock key number, provided by your mobile provider. This code can be obtained by contacting your provider's customer service, which may require using a different phone since your SIM card is blocked, or by utilizing online services. The provider will ask for your SIM card number to assist with the process. For some providers, the PUK can also be found online by logging into your account and following specific steps, such as visiting the provider's website, signing into your account, and navigating to the appropriate sections to find the Get Your PUK option. Once you have the PUK, enter it when prompted to unblock your SIM card, being cautious not to exceed the 10 attempt limit, as doing so will result in SIM card deactivation. After successfully unblocking your SIM card, create a new, memorable SIM card PIN, and if desired, disable SIM locking by first setting a new PIN and then disabling the feature. By following these steps, you can unblock your SIM card on an Android phone.